You are highly lifted up, mighty God. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients, and you know it. So today we are making this sweet, special and delicious plantain burger for our baby this Valentine season. So let's go. So over here I have my plantains, that is ripe plantain. So I am going to peel it and then we are gonna roast it, okay? I know you'll be wondering, what special meal can I prepare for my baby this season? I am here to help, okay? Just follow this step-by-step recipe and you'll be glad you did. In fact, you'll be getting more points. So these are our remaining ingredients. I'll be listed in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So this is my burger sauce. I have some chili pepper, onion, and then my mixed veggies, and then this is my beef ears, okay? All right. So in my saucepan, I'll add some oil. I'll add my onions, saute it a bit, and then I'll add my green chilies to it. Yes, the green chili is just to give it some kick, so it's optional. You can choose to omit it, okay? Okay. So over here, our onions are well sauteed, so we add our green chilies. So now I have added my beef pate. You can choose to use any meat of your choice, family. It's accepted, okay? Yes. So I add some curry powder and a little seasoning to taste, and a little salt to taste also, depending on how you want it, okay? Just that we want our meats or our beef pate to be sweet, okay? And yeah. So at this point, you can see my beef is ready, so I'll set it aside for it to cool down. So I have my plantain here. So to get our plantain burger, we just need to press the plantain for it to be flat, okay? Yes, just like this, okay? Now we are starting with the assembling. So first and foremost, I'll spread my burger sauce on my plantain. Then I add my beef patty. Spread more of my burger sauce on it. You can use ketchup, you can use mayonnaise if you don't have burger sauce. But if you want to know how I did my burger sauce, you can send a comment below, okay? So now I am adding some cheese as a top up, and then I'll just add the other half of my plantain, and then voila! Just look at this, family. This is mouth-watering. It's succulent and it's tantalizing. So now our tantalizing and delicious plantain burger is ready for our babe. Yes, so I hope you like this video. I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. God bless you, okay? If you are new to my channel, welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So please, for me, I am going to serve my babe. So I hope you also try this on Valentine's Day for our loved ones, okay? Thank you, family, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.